here to sort out the eating habits of London's underground emergency response unit. Now, this is where they hang out when they're on call, but I can tell there's trouble in the air just by the smell. Morning, guys.
Morning.
Joe, how are you?
I'm all right, Gordon. How are you keeping?
Yeah, good to see you, man. You well?
Mate, yeah.
Now, it's 5:30 in the morning, yes? And it stinks out there. And what's that there? You guys aren't eating that, are you?
No, you are.
Huh? Am I eating that? That's for sure. The elite emergency response unit, yeah, dealing with all sorts, and you're eating shit. You should be ashamed of yourselves.
I'm shocked by what these guys are eating, especially considering the physical nature of their job. A few hours before the morning rush hour, I'm taken to a disused station to see what these boys do for London's commuters.
Could we not just take the lift?
Unfortunately, it's not working.
A faulty train pulls in, and we get down to work. The electricity on the line is turned off, and a short-circuit device installed in case the current comes back on.
How do we know the electric's off?
The tunnel lights are on.
So if the lights turn off, start yourself?
Yeah, start moving.
Start moving.
Fine, yeah.
I'm just slightly concerned about the smell of baked beans down there.
Yeah.
Who is that, Joe?
Joe's over there.
Now, Joe, can you turn your ass the other way round, please? It's right in the direction of my face. What I am amazed is at how physical this stuff is. I mean, you're carrying some serious heavy gear, and that's not just your stomachs.
Perfect job. Right, pin in, assembled.
Good.
Gordon, you've seen what we do, now f*** off out of our station.
Hey, how come we're under there? I know why you weren't under there. 5 years ago, you could fit, now you've got no chance.
Now it's time to show these guys how eating more healthily will help them lose weight and perform more effectively.
Right, I'm back in Joe's cafe to teach you how to make the most amazing breakfast. Yes? Healthy, straightforward, delicious and quick.
First, peel the portobello mushrooms.
Nice thing about these mushrooms, they're low in calories.
Olive oil, salt and pepper on the baking trays. Put the ricotta into a bowl.
They look like Janet Street Porter's teeth that have just fallen out there.
Grate your parmesan. Chop some oregano. Mix together with the ricotta. Spoon onto the underside of the mushrooms.
There you go.
Rye bread is very high in fibre and packed with vitamins and iron. Better than the white sliced cardboard they're used to.
That is a mushroom and a half. I'm going to poach an egg. Little secret, touch of vinegar in the water, and I just stir the pan so it starts to spin it round. We drop the egg in there, and it envelopes itself, so the eggs don't stick together, and they cook nicely. Proper healthy breakfast.
I'll eat it again.
Now, it's very quiet, yeah? That's the first minute I've been with you guys. No one said a f***ing thing, it's great. Who's for eating a healthy breakfast to start the day properly?
Definitely.
Yeah?
Really enjoyed that.
Yeah, it was fantastic.
It's lovely grub.